snow's blow. I couldn't get the door open.
It's bad.
What is this?
Madness!
Madness!
I don't know if you can see, but that is the backyard. And it is completely filled with snow.
We need a tauntaun we can stuff ourselves into. It's crazy.
We thought we'd come out and try and shovel our way out so that the ladies can go to work, but forget it. Even the healthcare workers can't get to work today. This is a view from the upstairs window. You got a picture or you taking a video?
Take a video. Hello.
Insane!
This is above the fence. That's what we're gonna get to, is the shed. And we're gonna see what we can do. There's the car. There's Chrissy. Where's our skis? Where's our snow boots? That's Chrissy's snow blowing. Craziness we got to deal with. We got out of the shed finally, which is great. But the backyard is just crazy. We'll go to the house. That's the house right now in the back. Alright. Keep at it.
The cleanup. There's actually a car on the other side of this. I'm going to show you. Say hello!
We're the pajama sisters.
See? There's the car. Everybody says it's the worst they've seen in years and years and years. Big blizzard of January 11th, 2013. I'm going to take a tour of the backyard now.
Alright.
That back door is buried. That's the side door. We're going to have to dig that out tomorrow when we get some more energy. Shed. We almost didn't get the snowblower started, and that was quite the daunting task, but we did it. Thanks to some help from neighbors too for clearing out the driveway while we were getting things figured out in the backyard, where we are completely buried in awesome times.